How to write a book, 5 steps to get started now. Failure is a prerequisite for great success. If you want to succeed faster, double your rate of failure. Brian Tracy. Writing a book can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. Fear of failure, procrastination, or not having enough confidence to start writing are the biggest roadblocks for most when they want to start writing a book but haven't yet. While it may seem overwhelming at first, when you break the writing process down into digestible steps, accomplishing your goal of becoming an author and writing a book becomes a lot easier. To learn how to gain more confidence in your writing abilities, squash procrastination, and achieve your dreams of writing a book, follow these steps. Step 1. Do your research. Once you've decided what you want to write your book about, learn as much about the topic as you can. Make sure you focus on current information that readers are interested in hearing about. Think about what problems you can solve for your audience and how you will solve them. Answering these questions will give you clarity and direction as you get started. It'll also help give you more ideas for your book and help you stay focused on writing what you need in order to be successful. Step 2. Create an outline. Making a book outline is one of the most important steps for finding success when writing a book. An outline helps you organize your thoughts. You'll be able to see where your book is headed from the very beginning. This will help you ensure you include all the right parts and that your chapters make sense. Writing a book outline takes just a few simple steps. First, craft your thesis. This is one concise statement that sums up the main idea of your book. It will serve as a guidepost as you continue outlining and writing. Next, add your main points as chapters and further subdivide each one into more details. Some writers choose to write a separate outline for each chapter. If you're writing a fiction book, you need to figure out your setting, your characters, and plot details. These are the most important elements of a novel. Step 3. Start strong. Starting a big project like a book can be difficult to do, but if you've created an outline and done plenty of research, you feel more confident as you get ready to begin. The best way to become a confident writer is to believe in yourself and don't compare your writing to others. Don't be afraid to fail. The more you fail, in the end, the more you will succeed. And of course, practice. The more you write, the better your writing will become. The most important thing is just to get started. Don't get so bogged down in research and outlining that you never actually begin. You could research forever, but at some point, you're going to have to jump in and start writing. Step 4. Ask for feedback. You don't have to write a book on your own. Ask for help if you need it. It's a smart idea to include others in your book writing process. They'll be able to provide a valuable outside perspective and help make your book even better. Many authors also partner up with other writers to critique each other's work. A critique partner is a great way to make your writing stronger. Step 5. Edit and review. When you're writing the first draft of your book, it's best to just keep going and write the entire thing, even if you aren't happy with how it sounds. You can fix anything you want to fix in the editing process. Once you finish your first draft, let it sit for a few months, then come back to it with fresh eyes and clean up anything that needs it. Just like that, your dream of having a finished book will be fulfilled. Want more tips to help become an author? Check out Brian Tracy's 20-Step Author Quick Start Guide. This comprehensive guide teaches you how to improve your writing speed and get your book into publishers' hands. Now the question today is this: what topic do you want to write a book about? Leave a comment below, and Brian will be sure to follow up with you. Thanks for watching, and remember, as Brian always says, if you want to change your future, take action and take action now.
If you enjoyed this video and feel it was valuable, share it with your friends, or for more resources on professional development, visit my website at BrianTracy.com. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you want to change your future, take action, and take action now.